My name is Wei Ting, former student of IT in Aerospace Avionics. My grades in primary school was not very good. I actually failed quite a few subjects, which actually led me to a normal tech stream in secondary school. I was a disobedient student. With my friends, we always play around when the teacher's not in class. This is one of the things I do like at home. The gigantic CRT TV, remotes, all this usually go a bit faulty. Then I will take out parts and try to see what is wrong. When I first took a plane, you can see this giant piece of metal floating in the skies. You get curious also. How they make this piece of metal fly? That sparked me to want to know more. I like aircraft a lot. What I plan for the future is to be an aircraft engineer. So basically I get to work with the aircraft like it's a living thing like that. With that I will have no regrets.
We were impressed by the way he did the wire locking. He's very confident, especially when he engaged in this practical work. We find that he has potential in this trade.
My passion is actually to work on aircraft, right? If I can really do this every day, day in, day out, I would feel like I'm being forced to do something.
With the right knowledge and skills, one can thrive and excel in the interest of their job. Nowadays, resources are available. It makes things more authentic and engaging. We do have an internship program where students are sent to the industry for 20 weeks. Established companies are very supportive and they give more placements compared to many years ago. It's critical that they talk to adults like their teachers, their career guidance officer, and parents to get opinions and suggestions.
If they know their interest, I would say go for it. There's no fixed path you have to follow.